Welcome the most respected correspondent or principal or HOD of the department or the teachers, whoever is watching this video. I know your busy schedule. Despite of that, if you are spending your time on watching this video, means this is going to be really worth to you. So this is Karthik. I am from KTK Math. I own a mobile application and I'm also a perfect YouTuber there. I'm just coming up with an interesting idea of conducting math Enthu sessions for teachers exclusively for class 6 to 8 teachers, and even if primary and high school teachers also can join on this live sessions there. This is going to be like a proposal of conducting some math into sessions in your school premises with your teachers. Definitely whatever this time your teachers are going to spend with me, like 2 to 3 hours, this is going to be like helpful for them for the next academic year. It is going to be like preparation of your teachers for the next academic year to make love of learning towards math. So without wasting our time, I'm just getting into the sessions there. So in this video, what we are going to learn is, before starting, you must know who am I, right? So I'm just going to give you a short intro of myself, and then we are going to disclose what are the sessions activities we are going to do, and then what are the benefits you are going to take, additional benefits what are going to take, and then I'm going to reveal one stop secret strategy, and then how to contact me. So these are the details I'm just going to get in quickly in this video. So before starting, let me introduce myself. As I told you, this is Karthik. I am from Chennai, and I have professionally a math teacher for the past 12 plus years. I am experienced in both state board and CBSE and IGCSE curriculum as well. And I have train the students to score well in academics, both in board exams, Olympiad and competitive exams. And I'm also an international school awardee, that is ISA. I was working in 2016 in my institution on the project Math in Real Life. And also I have been training the kids of abroad, like Australia, Philippines, Canada, USA kids. I am just training the children on their regular math as well as speed math. And here I just want to mention you that I'm also a certified speed math trainer. I have completed my speed math course in 2019, that is during a pandemic time. I just learned that as a separate course, and I have done that. You might wonder why I'm going so fast, because I don't want to waste your time. This is going to be a quick one. And I'm also a YouTuber. I have started a YouTube channel during 2021 during the pandemic time. I know a little bit video editing also, so I don't want to waste that skill. So teaching plus video editing, no way. So I need to help the kids through posting some interesting math videos in YouTube. So that's also going side by side. And I'm also providing a mobile application exclusively for 10th standard students, those who are studying like CBSE and metric. Okay, so that's all comes as a part. And also I'm providing interesting creative worksheets in the website Variety, and many schools from abroad and Indian students are using my worksheets there. And also we have a good session. We have a good team of teachers in Twitter, and I also have been in a very good rapport with them by sharing a lot of ideas, math knowledge, through some fun activities. We used to conduct some webinars with the abroad teachers like Philippines, Australia, Canada, USA teachers. We have a good rapport with me. So always, like being a teacher, we know that we must be a lifetime learner, like. So I like how you are seeing me now. This Enthu will be there in that live sessions when I'm there in your premises with your teachers as well. So what's inside the session? That is when I'm coming to your school premises to train and to discuss some ideas with your teachers. What are the concepts we are going to do there? So we all know that nowadays many students are struggling with math, right? So they started hating math, more particularly post pandemic. When they're coming back, they lack a lot of basic knowledges there. So it took us very much time to bring back to them normal, right? I hope everyone agrees this. So what are the ways we can implement? So from our point of view, we need to pull that interest to the children towards the subject which they hate most generally. So what are the ideas I have come with you? That speed math, we know Vedic math, right? So it is own Indian product. So how we are going to utilize that to it's there. In my point of view, all the teachers must know speed math, not exactly the 100% of speed math concepts, at least some interesting concepts we can make that to reach the kids during our class sessions itself. It is not like that I'm going to ask your teachers to arrange some other special periods to them, because we know our regular schedule we are running within the syllabus to complete 8 periods per week and so on there. I'm also working teacher only. So this is the idea. Okay, what are the ideas I'm just going to give you, and then how to conduct competitions. there. Okay, like only competitions will motivate the children to just to showcase their talent in various math ideas there. So competitions how we are going to conduct. And geo art, this is going to be a very unique one which foreign countries are doing as a classroom activity, which is completely lacking in our Indian schools as far as I observe. So many teachers, when I was working and when I was discussing with abroad kids, they are making it as a classroom activity. But we are completely we are not giving much importance to geo art. So that introduction also I'm just going to give you during that sessions. And then brain stimulation programs, like we know that number games or a lot of games will be there, and puzzle sessions. So all of these ideas I'm just going to give you throughout my 2 to 3 hours session with your teachers. Here I want to mention that I'm also a working teacher. I'm not going to be like much knowledge or much experienced there. I have an experience of 10 years. So whatever the knowledge, whatever the ideas I have used and implemented and seen the excellent outcome from the students, without wasting that, I want to reach more students through your teachers. So that is a fundamental idea. So I'm just going to share the knowledge with your teachers. So this is going to be an ultimate idea sharing session. And then what are the extra benefits you are going to give? So all these what you are seeing on the screen, I'm just promising you that we are going to have this on the discussion board. And then ideas, okay, like how to make learning math fun inside the classroom. Each and every concept, how we can introduce, how we can give assignment when we are moving out from the class after finishing your 40 minutes period, what you need to do. All those ideas I'm going to give you. And then how to integrate speed math in your curriculum. And for the 40 minutes, how you are going to grab the attention of the students, a secret strategy I'm going to reveal during the sessions. And then a brainstorming and puzzle sessions, whatever I'm going to do with you during the live sessions, you are going to apply the same in your classrooms. And then number games, from various countries they have number games. As far as we know, let's say we are using only Sudoku there, right? So like that, n number of games are there. What are the ways best suitable for that particular grades, I'm just going to introduce to you during the session. And then we do have come across a lot of important days like pi day, pi approximation day, national mathematics day. So in what are the days, how we can celebrate, how we can make the children to participate in those activities. So all the complete guidance from my side I'll be going to sharing with you. And then as I mentioned, influence of geometry in art. When you are drawing an art, how geometry is going to be like applied there perfectly. So those ideas I'm going to share, okay. And this is all things going to be there in the session. And then additional benefits, okay. So if you are agreeing to pull me up into the institutions, okay, if you are agreeing to call me to give a orientation or workshop, whatever, I'm just giving you that. So after that, it is not going to be like that I'm just going to come over there and I'm going to finish off and I'm going to run away. It is not going to be like that. I'm just going to give my side, whatever the support I can give you for the next academic year, I'm going to give. Just go through the points there. When you are conducting any competitions or if you are planning for any mega math events, definitely like a ground activity with math sounds interesting, right? So many they used to do some painting there, group activities there. Just imagine when you are having some 300 students, they are doing some common math activity in a ground. That's what math mass events. I have an experience. I have an experience of accommodating 1,200 students in a school, and I have showcased an entire program on math. So all those details I'm just going to give you during. And in case if you are going to do the same activity or kind of activities in your school, definitely my support will be there in your academic session as well. And then how we are going to conduct competitions, like if you are arranging any competitions, like to pull audiences, to pull some more students, or in between your students, if you are conducting any school activities or competition, means how we are going to conduct the entire plan and blueprint I'm going to reveal. And then I do have more than 500 worksheets. Okay, it's going to be like add, sub, multiply, lot of worksheets, indices kind of worksheets I have. I'm going to give you free access for absolute lifetime. Okay, digital mode, it will be shared to you. You can just utilize to the core to bring the benefits, to bring the best from the students. This is my additional benefits which I'm not promising to others. Only for the schools this works. Okay. And 24/7, whenever your teachers are approaching to me through WhatsApp or mail, I'm always ready to reply them, whatever the queries, whatever the ideas they are seeking. Definitely I'll be there to support them. And whatever the games I was mentioning there, puzzles or videos, whatever I'm getting, immediately I'm just going to share with you for the entire academic year. Sounds interesting, right? And the most important secret is This one is a proven secret strategy which I personally implemented in my institution where I was worked 4 to 5 years back, and we found an excellent result from the students. Okay, and this is not going to be helpful only for math. This is going to be helpful for the other academics, including students' discipline as well. And this is going to be like session, and I'm going to reveal this during our session with your heads, our principal or whoever is going to be there with me on that day. Okay, this is a proven strategy. When I was working, I implemented personally. This is 100% my own idea. I implemented, I successed, I have shown excellent results there. And very next year, this idea is implemented with their branch schools, with their sister schools there. Okay, though they have also impressed with the ideas and they are following. This is 100% secret strategy which no other institutions are following, and I'm going to reveal this. Okay, I'm going to reveal this. So if you are giving me an opportunity to all these in your institution, I'll be very much grateful to you. And as I told you, I'm also a working teacher, and I'm just going to give you and sharing this idea. I'm going to start working on this with the schools from probably by March end on April onwards. So maybe I'm not sure which month you are going to watch this video. Just feel free to contact me. Just to 2 or 3 hours if I spend with your teachers means definitely that time is going to be worthy one, and I'm sure that your teachers are going to apply all the strategies whatever I am giving you during the 2 to 3 hours to apply for the entire academic year. Just imagine, so this is going to be like a booster camp. Okay, this is going to be like a booster camp, and we know, and being a head situations, you know very well that how students are struggling with the math. Okay, so out of all the subjects, whenever you are asking which subject is their most hatred, then immediately they reply, I hate math, right? So it is our duty to train the students, to train the teachers, how we are going to reach out the students, how we are going to eradicate the fear about math in students there. So whatever the ideas I have, I'm just going to share with your teachers. So I'll be expecting your invitation, your call, or I'll be expecting your WhatsApp message to book me up. I'm going to be there to support not only for the 2 to 3 hours for the next academic year. This is going to be an excellent collaboration with your institution, with my own KTK math. And thank you so much. So thank you so much. I hope from my side, I make it very crisp and clear with what I'm going to do with your teachers there. And I'll be available from Monday to Saturday. Sunday, if you are available for asking any online sessions, I'm ready. But even though only live sessions are going to be effective, online sessions are going to be not 100% effective in my suggestion, in my opinion. And from morning to 3:30 p.m. I will be available between Monday to Saturday. And the session, as I promised, it is going to be absolutely 2 to 3 hours. So you know the worth of the entire model, what I'm revealing here. A lot of strategies I'm going to reveal, lot of training and lot of brainstorming sessions, a lot of personal activities I'm going to provide to your teachers, which has to be followed, which has to be carried over to the students. That is more important there. Okay, so the fee is going to be ultimately negotiable based on the number of teachers you are going to provide. As I told you, this is exclusively for class 6, 7, 8 handling teachers, but even primary and high school teachers also, they can attend the session. And hopefully I will be expecting a mail or WhatsApp to this contact number. So thank you so much for watching. I am very much eager. Okay, whatever the Enthu you are seeing now, you believe it or not, it's the time is 1 o'clock midnight. I'm recording this video and sending you to, because daytime, you know, I'm also an ordinary teacher, I'm also a freelancer, I'm a math enthusiast. I'm eagerly waiting to spread my knowledge to all the teachers to help the students more in number. That is my motto. If you feel that this video is going to be helpful to you, and if you feel that I will be at least 20 to 30% helpful to your teachers by sharing the knowledge, definitely it is going to be a success to me. And thank you so much. I'll be waiting for your call or WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching during your busy schedule. Thank you so much for watching. So despite of your busy schedule, you have spent your time, and that's the only reason I went hurry in details. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be waiting for your call. Bye bye.